What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money online with Quora and plus a simple trick to earning more using this platform. Now on this channel, I talk about various ways that you can make money online in the affiliate marketing niche and so on and things like that. So this is a great tool for you if you're in any of those spaces, and that way you can actually use this to earn more money, or you can use this to leverage any type of business that you're in. Maybe you have your own e-commerce store, maybe you sell life insurance or whatever else. You can still leverage Quora in order to get more traffic to your website. You can also leverage it to get clients as well for your life insurance business or whatever it is that you're promoting. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money using Quora, and then also how to turn this from one income stream into two. If you're going to be building and answering questions and making money using Quora, you might as well go ahead and leverage it and make two income streams in the process. So make sure you stay into the end of the video so you don't miss out on anything, especially this simple trick to actually help you to earn an additional income stream. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's dive into the content. Let me share with you a little bit more about this strategy and how it can help you to earn more money and build your business. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So right now we're looking at Quora.com, and on this website, what you definitely want to do first is, well, let me tell you a little bit more about this site. So with Quora, it's a place where people can ask questions and people will just respond. That's like the layman's term of this, pretty much, of this website. Now they have a wide variety of different categories and subjects that you can leave comments on. And how you're going to be able to make money with this strategy is we're going to come on this website and we're simply going to answer questions, and we're just going to present ourselves as, you know, like as an authority or an expert in this niche, pretty much, by answering these questions. And then we want to make sure that we lead with value before we insert some type of a link. Now, what most people are going to do, because most people just don't want to take the time to do this stuff, they'll try to find questions that they can answer, and what they'll end up doing is just including an affiliate link, and that's it. You don't want to do that, because think about it yourself. If you were to come onto a website where you're just simply asking a question on how to build a sales funnel, and somebody just includes their link to ClickFunnels and no other type of value or information explaining, you know, why they're posting this link, more than likely you're not going to post a link. So why would you do that as well? You want to make sure that you're leading with value first in order to get that click onto your link. So the first way that you can do this is by direct linking. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to answer questions that are related to your niche. So let's say, like, if you're in affiliate marketing like I am, as you guys can see here, I have some of these categories saved that, you know, I can answer questions for. So like affiliate marketing, ClickBank, I can answer questions about e-commerce, digital marketing advice, digital advice. So I can just click on any of these. I can start seeing more information here about, you know, things in the affiliate marketing space. And I can also come over here where it says answer at the top. And now we have some questions that are coming up. So I can come over here and just answer some of these questions. Now sometimes when I answer questions, I don't necessarily have to leave a link. I just answer the question just because the sake of answering a question. But here I could put, like, you know, like this question right here. Somebody's asking, does ClickBank work in the UAE? Personally, I'm not sure if it does or not, but what I will do is I'll go over to clickbank.com. I'll see if the UAE is one of the countries that can actually promote ClickBank. And if it doesn't, I can just I can answer this this question saying, like, hey, you know, it doesn't work in the UAE, but Digistore 24, you might have some luck over there. And I'll just include that link. I'll include a link to Digistore 24 or something like that. So you can do that as well. You can also put right here, like this question right here, which is the best affiliate marketing guide? So you can answer this question, and let's say you have a freebie offer where people can get access to your free training, affiliate marketing training or something like that. You can answer this question, give some insight, and then include a link directly to your freebie offer where you're just giving away a free affiliate marketing training. So that's what you kind of want to do here. Now, to kind of give you guys some examples, So like this one right here, is affiliate marketing good for beginners? And how I just answered this question here. Yes, it is. There's a variety of ways to get started with affiliate marketing. And for me, I got started with $0 and I made my first $1,500 by doing video reviews. So as you guys can see here, I am answering the question here. I'm not just including an affiliate link on this particular response. I'm actually giving some information here, sharing my experience with affiliate marketing. But as you guys can see here, I included this. This video right here shows you how to do this, including what site to use to find products. So I shared my experience. I was letting them know what I did in the beginning with affiliate marketing to earn my first commissions. And then I included a link here that goes to a video. So if we were to click on this, it'll bring them here to a YouTube video where I am talking about how to find products to promote and things like that. So that's what you want to do. You want to come over here. You want to make sure that you're giving a really good answer, and then you want to link out to something. So the first strategy that you can do in order to make money with Quora is you can answer questions and then you can direct link them to an affiliate offer. So let's say if this was, we're talking about how to create sales funnels, and I just included an answer a little bit more about how to create a sales funnel. And hey, if you want to know the exact software that I am using in order to create sales funnels, I can include a link right here, a hyperlink that'll go to my ClickFunnels affiliate link, and that way if they decide to get started, I can get a sign up from there and start to earn commissions for every month that they have ClickFunnels. And these are the type of things that you want to do. So in affiliate marketing, what you want to do is you want to think about all the things or the type of tools that people use as affiliate marketers, and you want to answer those questions. So you can answer questions about affiliate marketing, right? But you can also answer questions on how to create sales funnels. You can respond with that with GrooveFunnels or ClickFunnels or something like that. Or if somebody is asking about email marketing is really important inside of online marketing, as well as internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and everything else. So somebody could ask a question. So let's come over here to email marketing. And when I do a search for email marketing, it actually brings me here. So inside of here, this is kind of like a group or something like that. I can actually follow this group, and then again, when they start asking questions about what are the best and free email marketing tools, I can answer the question. And then if I have a link to an affiliate link to GetResponse or Aweber or something like that, I can include that link in my response, my affiliate link for those services, and I can earn money. So that's the first way that you can do this. Now, the way that I just shared with you a few seconds ago on how I answer a question and how I send people to a video on YouTube, this is kind of where the additional way that you can actually earn 2 additional income streams by doing this. So again, the first way is just to simply answer questions on Quora and direct link people to your affiliate links. The second way is by creating a YouTube channel, and you don't have to show your face, guys. You don't have to show your face in order to do this. And with this, your YouTube channel, it could be solely surrounded about how to do something. So the most popular videos on YouTube are videos where people are teaching people how to do something. Those are the most searched questions on YouTube, because again, YouTube is a search engine and people come over to YouTube to find solutions. So one channel that we're looking at right now, this is for Max Dalton, and on his channel, all he does is just how-to videos, and these videos range anywhere from about 1.5 minutes to maybe 5 minutes at the most. So if you see some of the topics that he has here is how to delete a subscribe calendar, how to access Netflix secret menu, how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone and iPad. And he has tons of videos where he's just teaching people how to do something. So again, with Quora, people are asking questions on, how to do something or what's the best way to make money on ClickBank. And what you can do is you can create a faceless YouTube channel where you're just simply answering these questions. And then when you answer the questions, you include a link to your YouTube video showing people how to do something, right? So now when you have made that YouTube channel showing people how to do something, and your channel eventually gets monetized, you now actually have a way to actually earn money with YouTube AdSense, because now you're getting a lot of traffic to your videos. It'll help you to earn money with the YouTube AdSense program. So if we're looking at this right now, so we're looking at the channel for Max Dalton, and again, he is showing videos on how to do something. If we go to Social Blade, we can see that he's earning anywhere from $523 to upwards of over $8,000 per month. And again, his entire channel is about how to do something. right? Another channel that I want to share with you that's doing this is called Solution Star. So Solution Star, again, how to get Instagram Messenger update, how to delete Snapchat account. And he has all these type of videos on here on how to do something. And we go to the Social Blade, we can see that they're earning anywhere from $237 per month all the way up to over $3,000 per month by creating how-to videos. Another channel doing this is How To Digital. How to fix screen share audio when it's not working on Discord. How to use Messenger Vantage mode. Again, how-to videos, they're ranging anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes long. And he's earning about $1,000 to $17,000 per month using his channel. So those are two ways that you can actually leverage Quora in order to earn money. Again, you can come over to Quora, answer questions, and direct link people to your affiliate offers. And then the second way is to answer questions and send people to a YouTube video where you're teaching them how to do something that goes in conjunction with the question that they asked on Quora. You're now getting traffic to your videos, and then when you get monetized, you can now start to earn income from YouTube AdSense because you're getting traffic to your videos simply by using Quora. So in this video, I share with you how to make money online using Quora, plus a simple trick to earning more money online. So again, this will work for any business that you're doing. Again, if you're in affiliate marketing, if you have a life insurance business, if you have your own massage parlor, whatever it is, you can leverage Quora in order to make more money. And then you can also create your own faceless YouTube channel where you're answering these questions, but you're uploading these videos to YouTube. You're sending traffic to your videos simply by answering these questions on Quora. And then that's how you're able to earn money from direct linking, and then also you earn from YouTube AdSense. So if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, make sure you leave a comment below. Hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next video.